guys, it's Danielle with Take Care Mama, and I have my huge Young Living monthly unboxing for you. I went a little crazy this month, so get ready for a large haul. These are actually 2 orders combined. I think I cashed in some points. Okay, first of all, I've already showed this on Instagram, but I got the Advent calendar for 2019. This year, it is the 12 days of Christmas. I'm so excited. I haven't cheated yet. You see there are 12 drawers, and there's a little goodie in each of them, which I, again, have not peeked yet. I'm gonna be starting this on December 1st. You guys told me the 12 days of Christmas really starts on Christmas, but there's no way I'm gonna wait for that. So I'm starting December 1st just so each of the boxes correlates with the date that it is on that day. And I will be coming in on Instagram every day on my stories and going through this advent calendar with you. So if you aren't following me, be sure to come say hi at Take Care Mama. I can't wait. When is December 1st? Computer, when is December 1st?
December 1st falls on a Sunday 12 days from today.
12 days? 12 days? Okay. This is one of their holiday specials in the holiday catalog, and it is a stuffed animal. So this one is for Norma, and I have one more. I don't know if Marissa's watching, but I got one for baby Charlie. And what is so cool about this is, so there is a zipper back here, and there's a little sachet of, I'm not sure what they are, but what you do is you can put some essential oil drops on this, tuck it in and zip it up, and then this teddy bear becomes even more calming for babies. How smart. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to wait to give this to Norma, but I'm going to. Okay. I am putting together little gift packages, Christmas gifts for James's teachers, his special ed teacher, and his bus driver. And so I'm gonna try to go through those right now. But one of the things I'm going to include is a little hand sanitizer bottle that they can keep at their desks or in their purses. I love this stuff so much. I use it all the time. It is not drying, it doesn't have gross chemicals. It smells really good, and you are getting extra immunity support because it's the Thieves blend. Also in that package, I got a bunch of Grapefruit Lip Balm. So I got several of these. These are awesome. This goes along with that as well, but I bought the Thieves all-purpose cleaner for myself. I just ran out, and I was looking back, the last time I ordered this was 1 year ago. So this lasted me a year. I use this on every surface on my house. It's super concentrated. You only need 1 capful per 16-ounce spray bottle, and I clean everything with it. I love this stuff. I had to use Mrs. Meyer's at our cabin a couple months ago, and I could not believe how fake the scent was to me. I used to like that and tolerate it, but now that I'm just so used to a cleaner product, it really bothered me. I love this. So what I am doing for the teachers is buying some glass spray bottles and making them each one of these. So I'll put a capful in, fill the rest with water, and buy a fun label for them. The last thing I'm giving the teachers is a rollerball blend. I think I'll do a calming blend. I feel like that would be good for teachers, and hopefully get a cute label for that. So I'm really excited. I might do a whole video of me putting together these packages. Let me know if that would be helpful to you. I got another thing of laundry detergent. I didn't quite need this yet, but we're getting close. We're getting close. This is also really concentrated. You only need, for mine, because I have an HE, 1/4 of this cap, and you can see it's so small. And I cloth diaper. I've never found a clean laundry detergent for cloth diapers. I've just always used Tide because that's what worked. I've tried a lot, and I reluctantly tried this on her diapers and I haven't gone back. I've had no issues. I got shampoo and conditioner. This also lasts a long time, even though it's small, and it's the lavender. I ran out and I went to use my Kenra shampoo, which I've promoted on my channel before. I've always liked that product a lot. And anytime I find I switch shampoos, I feel like my hair does well. I think your hair kind of gets used to a certain product, so when you switch it up, it's like, ooh, and it behaves. I'm not liking Kenra at all right now. It's not doing what it used to do on my hair. I don't know, I just love this stuff so much, and tonight I'm gonna wash my hair and I'm gonna have a good hair day tomorrow. I got their lip gloss. I've never tried their lip gloss. I've tried their lipstick. Ooh, I don't think I meant to get this color. To be honest, this wasn't what I was expecting, this color. I was looking for like a maroon Christmas color. Oh, I feel like it looks different on my skin. So, I'm excited to try this. I got a Seedlings Baby Oil. My friend Kristen gave this to me when Norma was born. And I actually don't really use it on Norma. I mean, I do, but I found this is the best face wash. I use this for me to take off my makeup and wash my face. I used to love washing my face with coconut oil, but I kind of developed or realized I have like a slight allergy to coconut oil, especially when it's on my face. So I stopped using that. I went to a cold cream and I've been doing that the last couple years, but I think we are at a cabin. I forgot our cold cream. I said, let's just try this, and I love it. It works so well. I feel like my skin got more clear. And sad story, I brought this on our recent trip to Georgia and I didn't shut the cap well and it leaked everywhere in my suitcase. So that's why I needed another one. You barely need any. Like, I probably do half of a dime size on the palm of my hands and wash my face. So good. Okay, now oils, and I think a lot of these were free. Oh, cool. Okay, these came with the teddy bears. So it's the Seedlings Calm, which I've never smelled before. And I wanted this. Oh, so a lot of lavender. That smells so good. Lavender, coriander, some citrus, and ylang ylang. Oh my goodness. So that is awesome. And then this is pre-diluted, so this can go straight on a kid's skin if they're 2 or older. So I can add this right to James. We gotta hurry. Okay. Abundance, this was a promo. And I'm very happy because this is not a cheap oil and mine is almost out. I love Abundance. I diffuse it and work with it a lot when I'm manifesting and doing like positive affirmations and goal work. And I'm almost out and now I have it and I could not be happier. Valor. This was a promo, which unfortunately is over. They were doing buy one, get one on some oils. So because I bought Valor, I got for free a bottle of Purification and I needed both of these. So I wanted to take advantage of that deal. So Valor is the Courage oil. This comes in the premium starter kit and everyone is obsessed with this oil. It's most people's favorite. And I also had a Valor accident. I lost a whole bottle of Valor because I put it through my washing machine. So I needed this, and I make a roller blend for James, which has been really helpful. So I'm excited, and I'm probably gonna add this to those teachers' roller bottles. And then Purification. This is another favorite in our house and I'm really low. This, as its title suggests, will like purify your air. So a lot of people will diffuse this in the kitchen if they've cooked something stinky like fish or something. I use it in the bathroom. I put 1 drop in the toilet if it's going to be needed and it works so well. I should make a spray to save a little bit because I would use less. So that's another thing that's on my list to do, but this is great. I got finance because I am working, there we go. I am working through some money mindset things right now. And Becca Bristow, who I follow, she bought this recently. Ooh, I really like it. I was not really expecting to like it. A lot of like, I don't know, it smells piney to me and citrusy. So I'm excited to work with this. I kind of will work with it like I do Abundance. I'm really excited. Thieves, I love Thieves. I use it every single day, especially this time of year. It smells like Christmas. It's great for immunity support. I roll them down our spines and the bottom of our feet every night. I even do that to Norma now, though hers is diluted a little bit more. I diffuse this all the time. I love this. And you know, I haven't bought a bottle in a couple years. I get it for free a lot. Here's another one that was free, which is awesome because I use it every day and it's not the cheapest oil. This also comes in the premium starter kit. I've also given a lot of Thieves away, so I get it a lot from them for free, which is amazing because it's like one of my favorites. Joy, this is a promotion that I did not pay for. Now, I feel like this is gonna be really floral forward and that's not my favorite. Yep. I like it more than I thought I would, but, I like that. I was expecting to be like, oh, I'm giving this to my mom, but maybe not, Mom, maybe not. I'm so excited, so excited. Be sure you're following me on Instagram. I cannot wait for December 1st, and subscribe if you like this. I do my unboxings every month and have a lot more content, and I think I will be recording the teacher's gift bundle as I put it together, and I have some roller blends that I will be putting up on my channel shortly. So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to take care, Mama. Bye, guys.